Hello, welcome to a quick technical video for Game Guru. This is to show you how to correct certain models. Sometimes you'll have an entity that looks fine when you drop it in, but when you add it in a static and then light map it, it blows into immense proportions or it does something strange, or other modelling issues related to that. Well, the solution's pretty straightforward. It's all free software. You'll need two pieces. You'll need the Asset Importer tool and you'll need Blender. Asset Importer is available from the web, and you can get it from. You can also get the Blender from Steam, and also from the web. So as you can see, I've already loaded up the offending model, which is Bush.x, and as you can see when we loaded it into Asset Importer, it's this little dot down here. So already you can see there's something a little bit wrong with this model, something to do with the transforms and subsequent iterations of transforms forward and backward and scaling, and there's a lot of messy things that can happen inside an X file. So this is how you standardize it and make it work and friendly with Game Guru. So what you're going to do is go to the export and do wavefront export. So click that, give it a name, so bush.obj, and that will save it into a folder. Then you load in Blender, and in Blender start with a blank scene, then go to import wavefront, go into your Blender folder, select that, and you notice there's this huge monstrous mesh, and that's kind of normal. Blender has a very small unit scale thing. I'd have to zoom all the way out to see the bush, but what you could also do is use the scale to actually get it smaller, but you don't really want to do that. Leave it kind of where it is, and then immediately what you're going to do, go to File, Export, DirectX. Now, in order to get this DirectX module to show up, you have to actually activate it using user preferences. Once you've done that, you can export DirectX, and then you can export it. And now I've got a call it Bush New. Let's get a new one called just Bush.x. Export like so, and now you've actually got the new X file. Then all you're going to do is drop the X file to overwrite the old X file that was the origin of this import, and then you'll have corrected the model, and it's that simple. And then hopefully your model will be able to light map normally when you set the entity to static. So I hope this video helps.